One thing that I will take away from this camp is what I learned about soft skills. Nonverbal cues, facial expressions, time management, and learning how to work in a team.
I demonstrate leadership qualities during the esports camp by working together and showing leadership skills while having an open mindset, not a closed one.
It was E. Yes. But you also need windows so you can have natural lights. Those are soul torture views. Or I think those are yeah, those take up.
Healthy. And so what's really fun about what we're going to cook today is we're using ingredients that are healthy. And have you all talked at all about kind of healthy nutrition in school or with your families? And so I put up here, this is called My Plate, and this is a guide that has been created to help you know how much of each different type of food to eat. So there are 5 main food groups. They're up here. We have fruit, which we already talked about, can be really helpful for healthy eating. Vegetables, which depending on which vegetables you have, they can improve your digestion because they have things like fiber. They can improve your brain health. They can also help your eyes. So certain things like carrots are known to help your eyes. They're actually considered to be natural screen protectors. So you're all wearing the protective glasses right now. If you eat a lot of carrots, it helps your eyes. That protects your eyes when you're looking at the screen for a long time.
We are currently hosting our esports camp, and today is a day where we brought all of our campers to the University of California, San Diego to check out the Triton Esports Center. Here they have the opportunity of talking to current college students, learning about their pathways of education and their majors and how they're tying that into video games, or even just attending school and building community here. The other things that we've seen our students do is just engage in camaraderie and practice their skill sets via a variety of games that are here. But for them to be able to see video games and the career and the possible opportunities for higher education is just truly remarkable to have all of our 6th through 12th graders that we have throughout all of San Diego County here for our esports camp. What do you think the most important responsibilities of an esports leader? How do these responsibilities compare to leaders in traditional sports or other areas? So that's the one question I do want you to answer. You all mentioned organization. You all mentioned responsibility. Are there other aspects in life?
I'm Janessa, and here's a look at your release calendar for February. Talk to a guest advisor at your local GameStop store or go to GameStop.com to find out more about games hitting shelves this month. Okay, don't go anywhere. There's still a lot more GameStop TV still ahead.
You are consistent and you want to get your bachelor's and you want to graduate, I think that anybody could do it. It's just about showing up and doing the hard work every day.
I learned about the negative effects of raging and how gamers need to be more hygienic. Gamers also need to eat healthy to stay sharp.
What I will take away from this camp was the fun of our tournaments and our lessons in mental and physical health.